Okay, so if you're asked to find the vertex, the axis of symmetry, or the root, zeros, whatever, this is how you do it on a calculator. So you go into the y equals button, which is right here, and it's going to pull up the screen right here. So you're going to type the equation. So let's do, for example, hang on, y equals, okay, we're going to say y equals x squared. So take a look at the buttons that I'm pushing to type these in. Let's do 16x plus 64. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the top right-hand corner and hit graph, and there's my graph. So this one I have a couple of things that I can find. If it asks me to find the vertex, notice that the original equation had a positive for my first term, therefore positive people have smiling faces. So this is a happy face. So this one's going to have a low point, which is a minimum. So if you were asked to find the vertex, this is how you would do it. You would go to second trace, and because it had a low point, this one's going to have a minimum. So we're going to pick 3. And you see down here, these are directions, and they kind of guide you through what's going on. So it's we're going to put it to the left of where we think the vertex is. So we need to move our cursor, and this is how you move your cursor, is left and right. So I need to get it closer to my window so I can see it. There it is. All right, so it says left bound, so we're going to put it to the left of where we think the vertex is, which is right here. So I'm just going to put there. And you can hit the enter button here. And then it says right bound. Look at the directions. So you're going to move your cursor to the right a couple of times until it is to the right of where you think the vertex is. And then you hit enter. And then it says guess. And you're like, okay, yeah. Why don't you guess it for me? So there is my guess. I think it's about right there. So I'm going to hit enter. And then it's going to tell me that my vertex is at -8, 0. So that would be my vertex. Notice that this was a perfect square trinomial. So you'll notice that it only hit the x-axis one time. It would only have one solution.